we are the TTI Airsoft, and we do some upgrade parts for the pistol. These are our new items for the Marui high caliber system, one piece for CNC hole-up chamber, and the Glock 1 for CNC TTC hole-up chamber. And we also released the lightweight aluminum magazine for the Glock series for the 26 round and the 50 rounds.